Here we are at the thrift, guys. We are here. It's Goodwill today. Standard thrift store shopping. Let's see what we can get in there and find. We're looking at shoes, we're looking at jeans, hard goods, electronics, whatever we can find to flip to make that money. Let's go.
Dry rot, big time. No good.
All right, guys, so after the roundup and after the discount, so we got a 20% discount frequent shopper card, and then after the roundup, spent $237. Let me show you what we got here real quick. 237 bucks, bunch of pairs of jeans, one single stitch vintage shirt, a bunch of shoes. Got a pair of triple black huaraches, that'll bring in 90 bucks. Got a ton of Vans, jeans, button-down shirts. So we spent $237. This pair of bleached or distressed denim Vans will get a cool 50 bucks out of them. Got some Crocs, got some toddler Jordan 11 snake skins there. So spent $237. 3 pairs of shoes will cover that, and the rest is pure profit. We bought 58 items for $237. So I'll let you look at that. 58 items, $237. Average purchase price, $4.08 a piece. Now, we did buy a lot of toddler shoes, so those are $3 normally. Brought those up to $4.08. That's okay, because overall the average price came down. Bought a ton of jeans that were in the $7 price range. I did get some clearance items. So today was green tag day. Anything that was green tag was automatically 50% off. Then we got another 20% off. And so just wanted to make you aware of that. What the buy cost was, $4.08 per item, 58 items. Super blessed, super pumped. Had a hunch to hit this store I haven't hit in a long time, and it paid off. Hey guys, I wanted to show you a few of the pairs of jeans that we picked up from the thrift store in this haul before I close this video out. Right off the top here, the best pair that we picked up was this pair of 7 for All Mankind. These are the, where's the name of them? The A pocket. So these are selling for $45 to $50. So I just want to drop that so that you have that in mind. They have a little bit of fraying on the heels, a really nice kind of worn patina to them. So it's the A pocket. That's what you're looking for. money. So we paid an average of $4 for every item, $4.08, and this A pocket really came in clutch. Got this pair of Levi's 505s with the white tab. These are your basic like $25 pair of jeans, no big deal. Vintage Wranglers, 1970s, 1980s. I mean, there's not a lot to say. I've sold this pair before that I had picked up from a garage sale, this exact pair. These sell really well. You got the Wrangler tag on the back. It's, yeah. I think they're called the George Strait Fit, if I'm not mistaken. I got this pair of Eddie Bauer flannel lined pants. These I might hold on to these until the winter time before they are sort of in demand again, because we're going into summer pretty soon. But this is the Eddie Bauer straight fit flannel lined jeans. Pretty heavy, pretty luxurious. This is a brand that I had never heard of before, but the comps were there. It's RSQ. The adult versions don't sell for as much as the youth sizes, but this is a men's 33 by 30, and it's a slim straight RSQ New York, 100% cotton. One thing I would like to say, if you're going to sell denim, be sure to put what the blend is. If it's 100% cotton, or if it's got some, what do they call it? Spandex or elastate, whatever, because I have been getting a ton of questions about what the material is, and generally when I tell them it's 100% cotton, they sell immediately, so that is desirable. RSQ New York. This pair of Levi's 501 double X's, extended tag, 1980s Levi's. These are black, 36 by 30, so a little bit of an awkward size, I think. However, I have no doubt that they will sell. There's not a lot of black examples for this particular tag style online. Got a pair of 511 tactical ripstop pants. This was actually the first pair that I found in the store. 511 tactical. These are the cargo pants, so they'll go for a little bit more than the normal 511s that I sell. 511 tacticals, rather, that are not cargo, but they still have all those features. We have this pair of, I don't know if these are vintage really. They're 569, 34 by 28. It's a smaller tag, so I think it might be a women's, or nope, I think this is a boys, because it's a loose, straight, husky, 34 by 28. So boys, but it was in the men's section. We've got a pair of Levi's. There was no number on this, but this is a leather tag, not the cloth tag. This is a leather tag. It's got the red Levi's tab there, but when you open it up on the inside, where is it at? It says it on this tag right here. These were like $50 on their matchstick skinnies. So they're 100% cotton, matchstick skinny. They have no number to them, so they're not like a 511 or a 501. It's just Levi's matchstick skinny. They're like $45 to $50 used. Really good example, and we paid $4.08. They have sort of that purposeful, just a little bit of detailed distressing. You can see here they did that from the factory, I guess you can call it. And then we have this pair of Levi's 550 33 by 34, so my size. I'm actually a 34 by 34, but these ankles are too wide for me. I like my jeans to fit a little bit tighter on the ankles, and so these are, I'm not going to keep these, but 550s. This is your basic pair. We'll get 25 bucks for these. Yeah, and we paid $4.08. I'm going to show you some of the shoes that we got that are dirty, that have to be cleaned. We got good stuff, and I already photographed and sent off to my listing employee the shoes that are clean, but I'll throw some pictures of those in a few minutes after I show you these. Got this pair of Nikes here. Like I said, all of these have to be cleaned. Some of them more extensively than others. This pair of Vans, you see like on the midsole, it's just kind of dirty. Vans slip-ons. Pay $4, sell them for, 20, 25 bucks. Got a pair of Nike triple black Huaraches. These will go for 90 bucks easy. Good condition. I just want to get them cleaned up so we get the top dollar for them. There's that other one. Got this pair of LeBron James Nikes. I don't know where the pair for it is. I'll find it in a minute. Crocs have been doing really well for me. I paid $4. I generally sell them for $20 to $29 a pair plus shipping. So those are good. Got this pair of Nikes here. Not even sure what these are, but for $4, if I can sell them for $20, I'm good with it. Get the pair for that. This pair of Nikes right here, Nike Air Max. Not sure what they are. I haven't done much research. Another pair of Crocs for $4. We're going to sell them for, I don't know, 20, 25. I just sold this pair of Converse recently, this exact pair, but it was in a bigger size. It's like a burgundy, but it looks like it's got silver overspray spray paint on it. Really cool, kind of two-tone deal. I sold them for $39, and so I'm sure I can get that same amount for these. Midsole's dirty, that's why we're going to clean them. Got this pair of LeBron James with the lion face on the back. I sold a pair like this recently. They were more colorful than this pair, but this is filthy, but I think we can get some good money out of them. Picked up this pair of Vans with the unicorn and the sparkles. Cannot let my daughter see these. They absolutely would not fit my daughter, but she would hold them until they fit. So we're going to discreetly clean and sell these. This pair of Tyrannosaurus Rex and Spaceship Converse Dinoverse. Pretty cool pair. Got the dinosaur feet on the bottom. All filthy, all have to get cleaned. This pair of men's 13 Vans Red. This pair of sparkly Chuck Taylor high tops All-Star. Very nice. Probably get 30 bucks for those, 35. Got this pair of peach or pink or salmon. I'm not really sure what color this is. Hirachas, not bad. Probably get 50 bucks for these. Here's the other LeBron James that we were missing. Got this, your very basic pair of Gel Neo 33 Asics. The comps were not high for these, but we'll sell them. Got this pair of Air Max 97s. Filthy. Gonna have to take the suede restorer kit to that because that suede is really dingy. Your most average basic pair of Converse low tops in gray. They're filthy, but hey, you can sell them for 20, 25 bucks. Easy. And then this pair of Air Force One youth size. I'm not even sure like what the specialty name is on this pair. It's different and different sells oftentimes. So we're gonna get these cleaned up, listed and sold, hopefully around the $30, $35 range. So for that particular thrift haul, that was some of the stuff. I will pop up at the end of this video as I close it out. I will pop up photos with some music. Thank you guys for watching this video. It means a lot to me. If you got value from this video, be sure to leave a like. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.